Hi everybody, Justine Evans here, hormone alchemist and wise woman. So I'm introducing you to my October seasonal cleanse. We're starting on October the 4th this year and we're going to be running right the way through. It's a 10-day cleanse. So this year it's really exciting because we're going to be working with warming foods. The plan is to do one pot meals and keep it really simple, and we're going to be eating twice a day. That's the plan, okay? So there's going to be some fasting involved and one pot meals. They're going to be warming foods, so very simple to prepare, really satiating, and I am including fish in this cleanse. If you're vegan, then we can I can offer alternatives. And in your Wise Woman box, you're going to get food sensitivity and nutrient depletion, health screening, hair analysis. You're going to be getting some beautiful natural bathing products that I have made to support a cleanse. You're going to get your own personal affirmation. You're going to get your own energy remedy spray as well, and you're also going to be having some amazing recipes too. I'm also including 5 Zoom groups, and this cleanse we're going to be working with some mindful meditation, and we're also going to be really talking about the benefits of cleansing with the seasons and working with your spleen. So I'm going to be explaining about how the spleen works, the importance of it, how Mother Gaia really provides us with the foods that we need during this period of the year. So we're eating seasonal foods as well, and I'm really going to be explaining how Mother Gaia nourishes us during this time and how she naturally provides us with the foods that we need to raise our antioxidant levels and to really support our immune system. So I hope you're going to join me. It's £85 and I'll put the link below for you to be able to sign up. Looking forward to it and wishing you all well. Bye.